a recipe of Saatvic Aahar. Saatvic Aahar maintains balance between our mind and our body. Today I am making beetroot roti and vegetable curry. The twist is I am not going to use oil. Let's see the ingredients. I am using a clay pot and keep it in a high mode. Now pour some water and let it boil for 1 minute. Add 1 spoon of salt and all the vegetables except tomatoes, capsicum. Mix all the vegetables. Keep the lid and let it boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, grind the masala. For masala, add coconut, coriander, tomatoes and chilies. Grind it to a smooth paste. The masala is ready. Now add this masala to the curry. Mix the masala with the vegetables. Reduce the flame. Keep the lid and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. For roti, add a cup of flour, a cup of beetroot, a 1/4 teaspoon of carrots, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix it. Add some water. Knead it into a dough. Make the dough into a ball. Dip it in the flour. Roll it. After 10 minutes, once see the curry. Curry is ready and switch off the stove. Wait for 10 more minutes before serving. Heat the tawa. Then place the roti on the tawa. Fry it for some few minutes. Fry for 4 seconds. As we are not using the oil, place it on the flame. Turn it. Now transfer into a plate. Pure Saatvic Aahar recipe of beetroot roti and mixed vegetable curry without using oil is ready. Tasty